In this video, I show you how to fix RCS Chat not supported on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for messages. Now click on Google Messages. Update your Google Messages app if available any update version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Messages. Click on Messages. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. Now I hope that this method fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.